How to fix MplayerX for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file to uninstall MplayerX from Mac. #bin/bash #stop MplayerX if it is running echo stopping MplayerX process. Killall MplayerX n/dev/null #remove the MplayerX application echo removing MplayerX application. rmrf/application/MplayerX.app #remove the MplayerX preferences echo removing MplayerX preferences. rmrf/library/preferences/org.niltsh.MPlayerX.plist. #remove the MplayerX support files echo removing MplayerX support files. rmrf/library/application/support/MplayerX #remove the MplayerX cache echo removing MplayerX cache. rmrf/library/caches/org.niltsh.MPlayerX. Echo MplayerX has been uninstalled from your Mac. To use the script, follow these steps. 1. Open text edit or your preferred text editor on your Mac. 2. Copy and paste the script into the text editor. 3. Save the script as a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_MplayerX.sh, to a location of your choice on your Mac. 4. Open terminal on your Mac by going to Applications Utilities Terminal or by using Spotlight Search to find it. 5. Navigate to the location where you saved the script by typing the following command into terminal, cd/path/to/script note, replace /path/to/script with the actual path to the folder where you saved the script. 6. Make the script executable by typing the following command into terminal, mod +x uninstall_MplayerX.sh. Note, replace uninstall_MplayerX.sh with the actual name of the script file if it is different. 7. Run the script by typing the following command into terminal, /uninstall_MplayerX.sh. The script will stop the MplayerX process if it is running, remove the MplayerX application, preferences, support files, and cache. When the script finishes running, MplayerX will be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.